How to back up your camera roll to Snapchat. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel, The Solution Guy. In today's video, I'll show you how you can back up your camera roll to Snapchat. So just make sure to watch the video till the end. Now I'll tell you what the issue is over here. If I go ahead and then open the Snapchat application and then I simply select any of the snaps and then I tap on the photos icon over here. When I tap on the photos icon and then I go to camera roll, you'll find this little notification at the top that says your camera roll isn't backed up by Snapchat. Now first of all, you have to understand that this is really nothing to worry about. All it is saying is that all of the photos and videos that you have on your gallery is not being backed up by Snapchat, and that is because Snapchat is not a backing up or a drive or a cloud storage application. Snapchat is just a social media. So if you have Google Drive and you want to back up, you want to save your photos to Google Drive. If you have some photos you want to save, if you're on iOS, you have to save them to your iCloud. All it is saying is that Snapchat is not responsible if you go ahead and delete those photos, but then you do not find it in the Snapchat app, because Snapchat is not going to back up those camera roll photos. However, you can still back up those camera roll photos if you really like, but I personally wouldn't really recommend them. But if you still want to find it in the memory section, what you can try to do is we are going to back up this camera roll by sending it to My Eyes Only. And when we send this to My Eyes Only, even if we delete it from camera roll, we are still going to be able to find it within the My Eyes section. So now I'll just go ahead and long press the photos that I want to add to my camera roll and then back them up. So these are on my camera roll, which means it is on my phone's gallery. And then after that, I'll just tap on the hide button over here. When I tap on hide, it'll ask me to move to My Eyes, so I'll just tap on the move to My Eyes Only. Now if you want, you can delete the original, because now this time it has been backed up by Snapchat, which means even if I delete it from my camera roll now, so I'll just go ahead and delete it, as you can see. But then if I go to the My Eyes section and then if I enter my My Eyes passcode over here, and if you've not created it before, it'll ask you to create it. You can see those health pictures have been backed up by Snapchat right now. That's basically how you can back up camera roll on Snapchat. But as I said earlier, it's really nothing to worry about. All it is saying is that Snapchat is not going to back up your files on your device. Hope this video helped you. If it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. If you've got any more questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you soon in our next video.